Hello, it's Sheila again. Welcome to my channel. Somebody suggested to me the last video I put up about putting some talc on my hands, something that a gran did and she does. And I don't know why I never thought of that before, but I've done it and it makes a big difference. The knitting's not sticking, my hands aren't sticky, and of course I've got one or two dishes to wash. I'll probably have to go and put some more on after I've done those. But at least I can do a little bit knitting now, which I couldn't do before. But I've just come on to, I'm going to put a tutorial on here. I've just put it on this morning on my other channel, my channel for, people that's just learning to knit. But I'm going to put it on this channel as well, just in case. A lot of you probably, some of you know about my other channel and a lot don't, so just in case it'll go amongst my knitting stitches on this channel as well. So that's what I'm going to do, add another little bit of video here, and it'll help to build up my revenue in the on my that I get from YouTube, because it's been going down a lot lately actually. I don't know why. Maybe they're not putting as many adverts on my videos as what they did when I first started. But anyway, I'm going to show this the tutorial, and it's for it's a stitch that one of my subscribers, Michelle, she put on a channel. She's got another channel where it's Keep Calm Knit Happens, and that was where I found it on there when I was looking, and it's quite an easy stitch, so I thought I'd put it up here as on this channel as well. I'm going to show how to do this pattern. It's a very simple pattern. It's exactly the same on both sides, and it's one row to the pattern. And this was a pattern that one of my subscribers, Michelle, she done a little baby's hat. I think it was a little baby's hat on a channel. She hasn't got many subscribers on it. It's called Keep Calm Knit Happens. And that was where I found this pattern. So it's nothing that I've made up myself. It's one that I found off someone from somebody else. So thank you, Michelle. I'm going to show how to do this pattern now. And I have an odd number of stitches. I think I better count them, or I can't remember. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. No, it's not, sorry, it's an even number. This pattern's in multiples of 4. So I've got 22 stitches on here. So I've started it off with knit 2, then knit into the back of that knit stitch, and then purl 1 stitch. Then again knit 2, knit into the back. You knit into the back of this stitch here where it's running down the, knit into the back of that stitch, purl 1 stitch, the wool out the way, purl the next stitch, knit 2, knit into the back of the 3rd knit stitch, and then purl 1, and again it's knit 2, knit into the back of the 3rd stitch, purl 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches, knit into the back of the third knit stitch, I'll put that around twice, purl the next stitch and knit the last 2 stitches. And to keep the pattern correct, you must start off with 2 knit stitches at the start and end with 2 knit stitches. And that keeps the pattern correct for both sides. So you start again on the other side in the next row. And it's exactly the same. Knit 2 stitches. Knit into the back of the third knit stitch, purl 1 stitch, knit 2 again, knit into the back of the third stitch, purl 1 stitch, my hands are a bit sweaty here, it's rather hot today. It's a bit difficult to knit when your hands are sweaty. So that's knit 2, knit into the back of the third stitch, purl the next stitch, knit the next 2 stitches, I'm going to yarn forward, knit into the back the next knit stitch, purl 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches, knit into the back of the third stitch, purl 1 stitch and knit 2 stitches. And that's all it is, 1 row pattern. It's a very simple pattern, very easy, as you can see, and it's exactly the same on both sides. And I'm glad I found this on Michelle's channel, because I might be using this on one of my great-grandson's little cardigans that I'm going to do for him. It's a nice, easy, simple, quick pattern. Michelle did it on her channel on the Keep Calm Knit Happens. I'll put a link to her channel in the description box for anybody that wants to have a look. But when she did it, she was doing chunky. She was knitting 2 lots of double knitting together to make it thicker for the hat. Well, I'm just using double knitting here, but I'm using 4.5mm needle, and it's quite, the stitch is about right for that size needle if you're just using double knitting. Well, that's another little stitch to add to my knitting stitch playlist. I'll have to look up some more for more different stitches and that because I haven't put any up for a while, to see if I can find some different stitches to put up to do some more tutorials on this channel, because I've been doing all tutorials on my other channel, and I think I need to work a few out for this one, because I have noticed I seem to have been losing 1 or 2 subscribers just lately, and I think some people are coming and subscribing and all they're interested in is knitting. They're not interested in hearing me rabbiting on about this, that and the other, so they've unsubscribed. I think that's what's been happening. Like. But I don't care, they can please themselves. When I want to rabbit on, I'll rabbit on, and as you all know, I've got something to talk about or something to rant about, I'll do it. So that's my little bit for today. I'm going to go and make myself a cup of coffee now. So thumbs up and subscribe. Bye for now, and I'll let you know whatever else I get round to.